Welcome to this course on mastering the fundamentals of generative AI with hands-on learning. In this course, we are going to learn the fundamentals of generative AI, understanding the transformer architecture, and build end-to-end AI tools using LLM models. In order to help you maintain the pace of this course and help you learn the course in a structured manner, it is designed into 3 modules. In the first module, we are going to learn the fundamentals of generative AI and deep dive into the transformer architecture. In the second module, we shall go hands-on with Hugging Face, building various AI tools using language models which are available on Hugging Face. In the third module, we are going to customize these open source LLMs, fine-tuning them on our own custom datasets, and at the same time, we shall learn the prompt engineering for ChatGPT. This course is designed for people who want to build a successful career in AI. So if you are a machine learning or data science learner and who wants to build a successful career in AI, then this course is going to set the right foundations for you. Now, all the while, there are 2 primary prerequisites in order to make best use of this course. The first is you need to be familiar with basic programming using Python. If you are able to write basic programs, the smaller codes using Python, then this course is well suited for you. Secondly, this course is built using on the English language. So if you are comfortable with basic communicative English such as in this video, then you are good to start this course. Additionally, if you have a fundamental understanding of the basics of machine learning, then it is certainly an advantage. Even if not, then you can still make use of this course. So if you are someone who wants to build a successful career in AI, then what are you waiting for? Register for this course today.